person who was hurt or damaged or whatever, is still going through whatever trauma that they're going through. I mean, what do you do in a situation like that? And the person that did the wrong knows he did the wrong.
Let me try to. They did wrong to you? That's what you're asking?
No. Yeah. For example, they did wrong to me, and they knew they did wrong, but they've never once tried to apologize or ask for forgiveness. But me, myself, said in my heart, said to HaShem, I forgive that person no matter what.
That's it. Yes. Okay, so let me answer this question. I think you had a different question also, but I want to address this situation. That's because it's very, very simple, very, very straightforward, and very, very clear. There is no two opinions about it, right? So first of all, that's if you read Shema before Shema al-Mitah, like Shema before the bedtime. So you must read it every night. You open your Siddur and says, HaShem, I forgive you. I forgive everybody who wronged me intentionally, non-intentionally, in this lifetime, in a previous lifetime. I forgive them, and it's only so. Don't think it's for because you're such a great righteous person, even though you are, right? You are when you forgive, but it's for your own benefit, right? Because if this person is so arrogant, right? So he would not or she would not ask you forgiveness. So meaning what? But HaShem said, I am true judge. Right. So what he would do? For example, that person stole money from you. Right. He said, I need $5,000 from you for a down payment from this house, this and that. Okay, you please, it's my dream, this and that. Okay, and you took all of your savings. That's all you have. You borrowed from your sister, gave this person $5,000, and they said, look, it did not work. I apologize. I said, okay, but please give me money. And not now. Leave me alone. Not now. I'm under stress and distress. So after 20 years, it still did not give you money, right? So if you're not going to forgive that person, HaShem is going to bring you back, even though you were great tzaddik, the greatest tzaddik ever. You were supposed to go to Gan Eden, right, for ever and ever and ever, for eternally. But because you did not forgive that person, HaShem is going to bring you back, and that person also reincarnation, and he or she would pay this $5,000. Who needs that? You understand? After this lifetime is over, just go get me to my place, and I don't want to deal with that world. You understand? So because of this stupid money, like, who needs that? So when we forgive others, just the bottom line, right? So we're not only doing favor to them, and of course we practice righteousness and mercy, but remember, you're doing a favor to yourself, the biggest of favor, because as we said before, all of the money that a person was supposed to get were calculated on Rosh Hashanah, whatever I'm going to get. So, and nobody can diminish this thing. Nobody ever. Like Hashem said, you're going to make $55,000, right, and 450. Nobody. They're going to steal everything from your house. I don't know, whatever God forbid is going to happen. Still, Hashem is going to deliver on His promise. That's not even a question. You understand? So if this thief, this not honest person, the dishonest person took your money like this way, Hashem is going to compensate. It's His business. He promised to be sure judge, and we know He is. So okay, don't worry about it. You understand? So it's but it's from us to other people. It's very simple. You forgive them, and that's it. You move on. Of course, that the obligation is on them to apologize before you, right? Because Hashem is not going to forgive that person. You forgive. The business between him and this person and Hashem is different. It should not be your worry. You should not ask him, well, why don't you ask me forgiveness? You understand? Okay.